Introducing the all-new Air Fryer 2 by Nutricook. Its sleek redesign and upgraded features make it the best in class. With an incredibly stunning black or brushed stainless steel finish and a slim profile that allows it to fit any countertop, the Air Fryer 2 quickly fries food to crispy golden brown perfection using little to no oil. With 85% less fat than a traditional deep fryer, you can make all of your favorite foods guilt-free. Our Smart Temp technology automatically adjusts the temperature while cooking to give you the best of both worlds, perfectly cooked on the inside and crispy on the outside. Preheat, Celsius to Fahrenheit, auto shut-off. It even tells you when to shake, so all of your food gets fried evenly. 10 one-touch presets allow you to cook everything from salmon to steak perfectly every single time. Our basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. And it's free of unwanted chemicals. The Air Fryer 2 takes the guesswork out of cooking with none of the oil and all of the crisp. You'll be amazed at what it can do. Elevate your kitchen with Nutricook.